audience that brings together the senior military leadership committed to the cause of peacekeeping. The troop contributing countries chiefs conclave is a reaffirmation of our collective endeavor to uphold peace, stability, and human dignity that is granted the Charter of the United Nations. Friends, at the outset, I would like to state that the creation of the UN Charter after the devastations of the World War II was a significant development. Nations realized that for the development, growth, prosperity, and peace is essential. India was a founding signatory of the UN Charter, and for us, the noble vision of the UN Charter was not new. It reflected India's own civilizational philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means the whole world is a family, which teaches us the world is one family. Friends, with this noble thought, I would like to express my gratitude to be speaking at this gathering, as it is the first time this conclave is being hosted by India. Friends, the conclave will provide a platform to the senior military leaders from over 30 nations that together contribute majority of UN peacekeepers across the world. And I believe that this platform will be utilized to discuss the current issues involving the UN peacekeeping and its present as well as future challenges. Open discussions such as these also provide us with an opportunity to explore ways and means to mitigate these challenges by strengthening cooperation and coordination among the troop contributing countries and various stakeholders. Friends, nowadays, some nations are openly violating the international rules. Some are trying to undermine it, while some want to create their own rules and dominate the next century. In all this, India, while advocating for the reformation of outdated international structures, stands strong in upholding the international rules-based order.